Video we are going to talk about how to set up and install Vizio 5.1 Soundbar, HDMI ARC, eARC, Optical and Subwoofer pairing. Step 1. Unbox and check everything. You just have to make sure all items are inside the box. There should be a soundbar, front speaker, wireless subwoofer, two rear surround speakers, power cables, HDMI cable or optical cable, remote control and batteries, speaker wires and user manual should be there. Step 2. Put speaker in the right place. Soundbar front. You just have to place the soundbar below the TV and ensure front side is facing you. Avoid placing it behind the TV. Subwoofer. Place it on the floor. Position it near the TV or sofa. Leave some room. Avoid tight corners. Their speakers, you just have to put them behind your sitting area. Place one at the left and another at the right. Height should be at ear level or just above. Step 4. Connect soundbar to TV. Method 1. HDMI ARC. You just have to locate the HDMI ARC port on your television. Then you have to connect one end of the HDMI cable to TV's HDMI ARC port and another one to the soundbar HDMI ARC port. Method 2. Optical cable. Connect an optical cable from TV to the soundbar and set TV's audio output to the optical or external speaker. Step 5. Power everything on. First, you just have to plug in the soundbar, then you have to turn on your TV. Then soundbar and subwoofer should be auto pair. So like this, you can set up and install the Vizio 5.1 soundbar. Thanks for watching.